Like a Hellcat.
Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Forever. I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to show you a science experiment on the topic density. So let's see what materials are required for this. For this we will be needing a glass container, a raw egg. It is not a boiled egg, it's a raw egg, salt and water, also spoon. Now let's start. First we will add some water in the glass container. Now I will put the egg in it. I think it will need some more water. Yeah, now it's okay. So as you can see that the egg has sunk down. Now what we will do, we will add some salt in it. I am adding 2 tablespoons. If your experiment is not working, you can increase or decrease the quantity. Now stir it slowly. As the egg was inside it, so I was not able to mix it properly. So what you do, if your container is small like mine, you can take out the egg and then you can mix it properly. So the main basic is that first we have to put the egg in a normal water and then we have to put the egg in a salty water. This is the main basic. So now I have mixed it properly. Now I will add the egg in it. So now as you can see that the egg is floating. It is floating. First it had sunk in the normal water and in salty water it is floating. Wow. So why is the egg floating in the salty water whereas it was not floating in the normal water? Here's the answer. The density of an egg is much more than the density of a normal water. That's why the egg sunk in the water. Whereas when we add salt in the water, the density of the salty water becomes more than the density of an egg. That's why the egg started floating in it. Now I will explain it in Hindi also. So जो egg होती है उसकी density normal पानी से कई गुना ज़्यादा होती है. इसीलिए जो egg है वो पानी में डूब जाती है. जबकि अगर हम पानी में नमक मिलाते हैं तो नमक के वजह से पानी की डेंसिटी एग से ज्यादा हो जाती है. इसी कारण एग सॉल्टी वाटर में तैरने लगती है. So friends, here I have a fun fact for you. There is a sea known as Dead Sea in Israel. It is so dense because of salt that we can float in it. There is no chance of sinking or drowning in the waters of Dead Sea. So people who do not know swimming can also enjoy in the water of Dead Sea. So friends, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also comment down how you enjoyed my fun fact. I will be back soon with a new video. Till then, bye.